Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be telling you about the airline preparatory classes conducted at Golden Epaulettes Aviation. As you all are aware, the Indian aviation industry is expanding. Well, if you are a CPL holder and you are looking to get into the airline, you should not, without any delay, come to Golden Epaulettes Aviation and start preparing for your airline examinations. We have been in this industry since 2008, so we have many years of experience in training all the pilots. We here have trained many CPL holders to clear their CPL and ATPL exams. In our classes for the airline preparatory exam, we will also be including the ATPL classes. And in case you are a type rated pilot, we also have special type rated classes for you all. We over here will also be training you for the various stages of your airline induction process, which would include your compass, psychometry, your simulator training, group discussion, etc. The topics that you will be taught for your airline preparation would include air navigation, all your basic topics in air navigation. You will also be taught aviation med. These would be the topics: atmosphere, wind, clouds and fog, precipitation, air masses and fronts, thermodynamics, pressure systems, Indian climatology, flight hazards and meteorological information. You will also be taught air regulations, all the important topics that you would be covering in air regulations. And the most important, technical general, again airframes, electrics, power plant, emergency equipments, principles of flight and flight mechanics. So in case you are a CPL holder and are looking to get into the airlines, come quickly to Golden Epaulettes Aviation and start preparing for those. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!